In this video, I'm going to reveal to you the top 6 SEO keyword tips and tricks and proper practices regarding the use of keywords within your blog post and web page. The first and most important tip regarding use of keywords is ensuring that your main keyword phrase you're targeting get put into the title tag of the web page. Now, if you're using WordPress, that's easy. When you add a new post where it says enter title here, that will become the title tag. So say if you're focusing on the keyword phrase acne cure for teens, and then when you publish your post, that's going to be the title. Now, if you're creating your web pages using HTML, as we do, and not WordPress or some other content management system, then you just create the title tags at the top of the page between the head tags with the opening title tag, your main keyword phrase that you're targeting, and a closing title tag. Now, the second most important tip regarding proper use of keywords within your blog post is ensuring that your main keyword phrase exists within the page name. Again, with WordPress, this is easy. When you create title up here, when the page is saved, the page is automatically going to be saved with whatever you put in here. If you're not using WordPress, then make sure that when you save your web page, you just save it with your main keyword phrase in mind here. In this specific example, the keyword phrase is what does keyword difficulty mean? But for the example we're using for this video, acne cure for teens, you would put that in here, replacing spaces with dashes. Now, the next important place you want to consider placing them is within the meta keywords tag. Now, I know every SEO expert in the world is telling you that the keywords tag no longer matters. I highly disagree. Putting it in there can't hurt. It can only help. It's another opportunity to showcase your main keyword phrase and perhaps a few other LSI keyword phrases as well. For example, if you were targeting, again in this example, and this page contains a form to create your keyword meta tag automatically, again, say the main keyword phrase is acne cure for teens, you might also put in, I would advise using a total of anywhere between 1 and 5 keyword phrases. The first one being the main keyword phrase that you're targeting. But there's nothing wrong with using only that one keyword phrase. Click the button here, create meta tag, and your meta tag is automatically created for you that you can copy and paste into your HTML code. If you're using WordPress, you can either insert this script in your functions.php file. A better solution would probably use a plugin that inserts the keyword meta tag for you. In fact, this link here takes you to the WordPress plugin page. Just search for, and you'll have a variety of solutions you can choose from. The next very important place to use your main keyword phrase is within the images on your web page. There's a lot of places you can take advantage of this. You have the alt tag where you can insert your keyword phrase. The name of the image can include your main keyword phrase. Now, you may be thinking, well, what if my web page is going to have several images? I can't save them all with the same name. What you can do, here's 2 different images on the web page. You'll notice the first one here is named number of search results for keyword.png. The second is number search results for keyword. What is the best long-tail keyword research software for SEO? So you can include your main keyword phrase in all of your images, just append the name with information that's more relevant to what that image specifically is. You can also include your main keyword phrase in the image title as well as the image caption. To do this in WordPress is fairly easy and straightforward. You click the Add Media button, upload your image, and then change the title, caption, alt text, include a description if you'd like as well. Again, make sure the name of the image you upload includes your main keyword phrase that you're targeting for. Again, the image on this page shows an example image and different places that you can put your main keyword phrase for SEO benefit without spamming. Next place you want to use your main keyword phrase is in the header tags, H tags. Now, if you're familiar with getting your hands dirty with HTML, you probably already know what they are. There's these tags here. H1, H2, H3, H4, H5, and H6, although not many people use H4, 5, or 6 anymore. And your H tags include your main keyword phrase, especially the H1 and H2 tags. In WordPress, again, this is a simple matter of selecting the text, select from here any one of the header tags you desire, and when you save or publish the page, you're automatically going to have your main keyword phrase in the header tags that way. Another thing you can do, another opportunity to use your main keyword phrase, is use a table of contents on all of your web pages. This is a non-spammy way, a Google-approved way of including your main keyword phrases multiple times. As you see here, in WordPress, there are table of contents plugins you can use. Just come to wordpress.org/plugins. Type in table of content and you'll be presented with a large number of them. And the final tip, which rounds it up and really ensures that you've done everything you possibly can SEO-wise, focus your entire web page's content blog post very closely to that one keyword phrase. Don't stray. If you feel there's a need to stray from the main keyword phrase, create a second blog post that concentrates on that content you wish to stray to. Make that a separate web page. The way to test to make sure when you're done with your blog post that you have been focused around that keyword phrase as far as the content you've been using, come to this web tool here. Grab website keywords from URL Extractor, pull down, enter the web page's URL of the blog post you just created, click the button Get Keywords from URL, and the code is going to do exactly that. Grab the most dominant and 2- and 3-word combination keyword phrases from that web page. And as you look over the top 2-word keyword phrases found and the top 3 keyword phrases found, you find a lot of the keyword phrases are not really related to the content or the focus of your web page. Go back to the blog post and make some changes and use this tool again until you find your content is tightly focused around that one specific keyword phrase that you're targeting. And all the resources discussed in this video are going to be found below or in the video's description if you're watching this video on a site like YouTube. Again, thank you for watching and be sure to subscribe. Don't miss other great videos like this. Thank you very much.